Hey folks, and welcome back to Truck Garage. Let me just give you a little update on my camera system I got it going on here. Yeah, I got this camera up here. Shows down the left side of my truck. I have that camera there going forward. I have this camera here that faces me in the driver's side window in case somebody wants to get a little squirrely with me. I have that camera showing down the right side of my truck. And I got this camera up here also showing the front of the truck in case one side stopped working. Well, after I got backed into that camera, the suction cup for the window broke. And it fell down and completely broke. And I'm like, well, I guess I'll get a new camera. Got a new camera up there. But then I was like, well, the other camera still worked. What am I going to do with it? Didn't want to get rid of it because it still worked. So I thought, well, I'll put it down here on this side to show passenger side in case somebody wants to get squirrely with me on that side. In the 4-camera system I got set up, that's my screen for this camera, and then the 2 side cameras. So yeah, that's my display screen for that. And I can punch it up, fill out the screen if I want. But just want to give you a little quick update on that. Am I being a little paranoid? Yeah, probably. Who knows? Alright. I just wanted to give you a quick little update on that. And until next time, bye for now.